Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Thursday, September 19, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading for October with 52% of the total premiums paid. Bearish reading for November and December with 28 and 17% of the total premiums paid. Overall, we have a neutral dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX. Going for the charts, here we have the daily chart for SPX, and we were down 0.2%. You could see it there, down 3.18 handles. Not much going on here. I'm looking here for some exhaustion in the market short term, very short term. Looking for maybe 1710, even 1705. That's going to be important there for SPX so far. So I'm looking to playing it that way, playing it short. Going for the Qs. Here we have the daily chart, the Qs up 0.25%. You can see it there, very nicely going there. Continue to go higher. Nothing wrong with that here. IWM down 0.10% for the day. Still trading there. Futures aftermarket trading at 107.14. So nicely there, going a little bit lower, but nothing happening. If we go to the gold GLD. Here we have the daily chart, 0.20% lower, nothing going there. We're just dissecting the move that happened yesterday, digesting the move that happened yesterday. Nice volume today there. As I mentioned, I do believe we have potential to go higher and reach this previous top here around 137.50. So that's what I'm looking here for GLD. And SLV, pretty much the same that gold. We were up yesterday over 6% on huge volume. We're just digesting the move. I'm looking here for this previous 23.89, 83. So that's going to be important there. I'm looking for further upside on stocks. Here we have Apple. Apple today up 1.6% up for the day, trading at 472. Very nicely going there. We were above almost 2.5%. For the day. Let me delete this thing. We were above 2.5%. We retraced. I believe this is a very nice position to get short Apple here. I am bearish, as you know. I do believe this is a trap here. We're bouncing on normal volume, but I do not like the stock here. I believe we're going lower. We just couldn't take the previous high here. I'm looking for 447, which was this week's low, to be broken on the future, and then go eventually for 429. I'm bearish here. I don't think Apple shares are going to be great, and that's what I'm looking here so far. Going for Facebook. Here we have the daily chart up 1.6% for the day. Not much going on. We are breaking here. I don't like it much. Not much volume here, not much conviction. If tomorrow we get another continuation, I would not jump to the upside. I'm looking for a pullback here. We did got one last week, 4%, but it just moves too fast to catch it here. Google. Here we have the Google chart, down 0.55%. Below 900, we're still above that 50-day moving average. We're going higher. That could be a nice entry here if you believe you're bullish, but it's been doing basically nothing for the last, basically from all September, so not much here going on. JP Morgan on the news a lot now, due to its London whale, and down 1.25% for the day. I could think that this stock has potential to break higher, just break that 50-day moving average and continue to all-time high. I believe that's going to happen. I'm bullish on JP Morgan. Let's look at a couple of interesting charts here. General Motors trying to break out today and failing. You can see it there, trying to break out, failing. Also Amazon. Amazon today, you could see it here. We tried to break out and we failed. There was no momentum. That's important also. And the last one we will look at American Express. We are approaching here a triple top on American Express. That's important. We'll see if we break out of that triple top. If we do, it would be a very interesting trade. I would get long there and ride it for a couple of sessions.